Victor Stone, aka Cyborg, plays a very important role in the Zack Snyder's Justice League. After an accident, he was about to die. So his father, Dr. Silas Stones, uses the mother box to regenerate his limbs and save his life. But in the process, he made him a cyborg. But in the end, the mother box became the reason for Dr. Silas's death. Or does it? So in this video, I will try to explain you the story behind it. So sit tight for the next few minutes, and before that, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss any update on DC Universe. So after Superman came back to life, the whole Justice League was trying to confine him. But in that process, they all forgot about the mother box. That was flown away with Superman. Then Dr. Silas Stones take the mother box into the Star Lab facility and try to save that from everyone else. But as we know, Steppenwolf came for it. When Steppenwolf came to the facility and tried to steal the last mother box, Dr. Stones locks himself and the mother box in a chamber. And he then blasts a very powerful laser at the mother box, and in that process, he also gets disintegrated. So now the question arises that, is he dead or alive? As we know, the mother box can do anything and it was used to save life of Cyborg. But there is something that I need to tell you. When Justice League was talking about bringing Superman back to life, they were using the concept of conservation of energy, which is energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. So if we burn a house or wood, it doesn't vanishes from existence. Instead, it transfers in the form of heat and smoke. So using this method in reverse order, we can make house from smoke. And that was the technology used to bring Superman and Cyborg back to life. So here it could be used to transform Dr. Stones to other matter form. And there is also a possibility that Silas Stone is teleported to a different place or even a different dimension, as the mother box has also the power to manipulate space and time. And it is also used to open a boom tube in the comics. So it is most likely he could be someplace else. And the next possible scenario is that he could be transformed as an artificial intelligence, also known as AI. As we saw, his body is disintegrated, but his consciousness can be saved and transformed as an AI. And on the other hand, Dr. Silas could be dead as shown in the movie. So what are your thoughts over it? Is he dead or alive? Drop that in comment section, and if you like this video, hit the like button, and for more such content like this, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.